Naan is a soft, fluffy, and chewy bread. The buttery flavor comes from ghee and buttermilk in the dough. To get that tang and tenderness of buttermilk, I'm using sourdough discard in my naan dough instead of buttermilk. This sourdough naan recipe takes less than 2.5 hours start to finish. My starter is about 3 days old in the fridge. It's loose and has a runny consistency. To complete my soft naan packaging, I add coconut milk because of the creamy and high fat content. And last but not the least, 2 teaspoons of oil. I read somewhere how sourdough discard is a great alternative to buttermilk because of the starter's natural acidity. It has become my great option when I don't have buttermilk. It doubles as a leavener and adds flavor. Mix and knead for about 2 to 3 minutes. The dough is not sticky, just soft and holds up nicely. Transfer into a clean bowl and rest for an hour. My dough is ready for shaping and I'm going to get every last bit of it. And then divide the dough into two, and each half I'm going to split into four. I am not bothered about how equal the sizes are, but the most important thing is to shape them tightly into neat balls. To make a ball, I take a piece and I fold in the edges and then turn it around and then roll it to make it smooth. Even using my palm actually helps to guide in making it very smooth and tight. Making small dough balls is easy to roll out, so I'll do same for the rest. And in total, I'll have 8. Place all on a dusted surface and cover with a kitchen napkin to rest for an hour. Cooking from scratch takes some time in the kitchen. The more I do it, I only see a routine that has become a habit. There are some cravings that lead to making certain types of bread. I am making my quick chicken gravy. I also have my butter and garlic sizzling up nicely. Place the dough ball, flatten a bit and roll from the center out. Flip and repeat until I get a decent flat dough. Because they've proofed nicely, they're easy to roll out. Or maybe it's because I'm just hungry and I can smell the gravy. So I'm motivated to roll as quickly as possible, but actually it is easy to roll out. Just get them as flat as I can before I start frying. I am ready to fry my naan. Place a flat pan on high heat. I need my flat dough to heat a hot pan. Keep the top side up when I place on the pan. Cook for less than a minute on each side. Watch the bubbles for the sign to flip. My life with a starter is always having discard sitting in the fridge. Naan is one of the easy sourdough breads I can make without switching on my oven or waiting overnight. I pack extras in a bag and place in the fridge. And to warm up, I'll just place back on a pan for a minute and it softens up. Once they're all rolled out, it's easy to fry them quickly. And they get lighter and fluffier. They are already very soft, but adding butter, garlic butter actually, it just adds more flavor to the flatbread. It's soft and chewy and it just goes well with any curry that you can think of or gravy. And I can't wait to just have some. I hope you try this, and if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Have a lovely week and have a good one.